Here's a tip of the day for you. The world is getting worse. You got to get better. You got to get better in your physical health. You got to get better you got to get better overall. In a downward spiral, people that have the knowledge, people that have the information, that are ready for opportunities are the ones who seize the opportunity and triple their net worth. That don't seize the opportunity or don't see the opportunity, their net worth dwindles. So you got to say, do I have the mindset to win in this new economy? And if you don't, believe me, keep doing the same old, and I'm talking to the people that never invested in themselves, never bought a course, never went to an event, never, consulted with a mentor, never did a consultation, never went to an event on business, entrepreneurship, never pursued a business, never did nothing but work their job, right? So if you don't believe me, keep working your job, and eventually your job is going to say, we no longer need you. Eventually, your job is going to say, you know what? We're going to have to lower your pay. Eventually, your job is going to say, we no longer provide those benefits, those health benefits, those 401k benefits, those retirement benefits, those life insurance benefits. And what are you going to do? Get mad at your job? You can't get mad. You got to get better. You can't get mad. You have to get better. You can't get mad at your job. You just got to get better. Because at the end of the day, your job is interested in their bottom line, not you. They don't care about your kids. They don't care if you got a mortgage. They don't care about your car payments. They don't care that your credit card, your student loans. And student loans, payments is back. All right, so the world is getting worse, right? So I'm here to empower people. I'm here to inspire people, to start something different, right? That's why we're doing the Amazon Influencer Program for $97. There's people charging $1,000, right? But now you can learn to use the internet to bring you in some extra income. You can start to develop that business mind. You can start to develop that wealthy mindset. And also, my book is going to be Amazon this month for the Amazon Influencer. It's probably, 17 pages. You could read 17 pages and get some knowledge, right? So it's too many people still living check to check in the 21st century. It is 2023. People are still living check to check with all the information on the internet. People should not be broke. People should not be behind on bills. It's just too much on the internet. And the easiest way to get started is through the Amazon Influencer Program. You become an affiliate for free. You become an influencer for free. And then we show you how to get approved and you start reviewing videos. You don't even have to show your face. People are making $300 a month. People are making $1,000 a month. People are making 90 grand in 1 year. One guy literally quit his job and he's making $90,000 in 1 year doing this Amazon Influencer Program. And the great thing about it hasn't even reached any capacity yet. It's not that many people even doing this. So this is the whole opportunity for you to jump on. And Amazon stock is only like $140, under $140.